I'm Josh with Town of Penny Farms. I maintain some of the streets out here in the town, and was wanting to look at some product here from Duval Asphalt Easy Street. Found a little pothole for him to fix up, and he put the product down. It was real nice. We dumped it out the bag, self-leveling, real good. With my experience with other coal patches, they're hard to move around. The bags get hard. You got to hit them with a shovel. There's a lot of extra work. This right here just comes out wet, almost like it come right out of the back of a dump truck with it being hot. So it was real easy to move around. He didn't really have to do a whole lot of compacting to it. I mean, he hit it pretty good. Then we went through and wheel rolled it with the truck, and it looks real good. It looks great. My experience with coal patches, on the edges, it kind of rolls off. It turns rocky, turns real gravelly. This patch right here, you don't have that. I just have a few potholes that do have some water in them, and I was kind of worried about, okay, well, I got to sweep the water out and I got to move the water, and they're like, no, you ain't got to do none of that crap. You take it out of the bag, you dump it, it pushes the water out of the hole, the asphalt takes its place. All you got to do is just tamp it and roll it, and you're good to go. I'm real happy with the product, and hopefully this will be something that me and the town will look into using in the future and stuff like that. So I'm real happy with it. This right here just seemed just like what it says, Easy Street. It was easy.